Have you ever found yourself juggling multiple phone lines? Frustrated by missed calls and lost messages? Well, I've got the solution for you. RingCentral. It's a powerful cloud-based communication platform that simplifies your business communications. But how do you get started? Let's dive in and learn how to download RingCentral. Imagine a world where your team can seamlessly communicate, collaborate, and connect with customers from anywhere, anytime. That's the power of RingCentral. It's a versatile tool that offers a range of features, including unified communications, combined voice, video, messaging, and collaboration tools into one platform. Team messaging. Chat with colleagues in real time, share files, and collaborate on projects. Video conferencing. Host meetings with up to 1,000 participants, with features like screen sharing and recording. Call center features. Manage incoming and outgoing calls, track metrics, and improve customer satisfaction. Main content. Downloading RingCentral. Visit the RingCentral website. The first step is to go to the RingCentral website. Simply open your preferred web browser and search for RingCentral. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a prominent Sign Up button. Choose your plan. RingCentral offers a variety of plans to suit different business needs. Take some time to explore the options and select the plan that best aligns with your requirements. Consider factors like the number of users, features, and pricing. Create your account. After choosing a plan, you'll be prompted to create a RingCentral account. Provide your basic information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. You'll also need to create a password. Verify your account. RingCentral will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Download the RingCentral app. Once your account is verified, you can download the RingCentral app. The app is available for both desktop and mobile devices. Simply visit the App Store for your device and search for RingCentral. Install the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your device. Sign into your account. After the app is installed, open it and sign in using the email address and password you created during the registration process. Start using RingCentral. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and installed RingCentral. You can now start exploring the platform's features and making the most of its powerful communication tools. Additional tips. Explore the features. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the various features that RingCentral offers. Experiment with different options and find what works best for your business. Customize your settings. RingCentral allows you to customize your settings to match your preferences. Adjust your call settings, notifications, and other preferences to create a personalized experience. Get support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to RingCentral's support team. They are available to assist you and provide guidance. With RingCentral, you can streamline your communications, improve productivity, and enhance your customer experience. By following the simple steps outlined in this video, you can easily download and start using this powerful platform. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for RingCentral today and experience the future of business communications. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, RingCentral is your one-stop solution for all your communication needs.